What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a canister shell kit, the 8-ball, 8-inch canister shells. There's 24 shells in a box, maximum load as you can see there. There are 2 sets of 1 through 12 in there. You can see labeled, hopefully that's not glaring too much. You got 1 through 6 and then 7 through 12. You got 2 sets each. They're not labeled for effect, but hopefully, like I said, I'll get them to shoot off in order and maybe have an idea of what's what based off the numbers. But I've seen a sleeve of 6 get fired off, I think. One video, wasn't too bad. It's supposed to be some color with some noise. So anxious to get these bad boys out and see how they look.